video, we are going to make a melon zombie. So we're gonna need an ice.
Something fall down.
So we're gonna need a rum, the Bacardi Superior rum. 1 ounce of this. And the melon liqueur. Ay! It's okay. I got more, but it's okay. And 1/2 ounce of mango syrup. Just 1/2. It's sweet.
It's a tropical drink. It's a little bit sweet. So I very like this drink. Yes. Like a light drink.
And 1/2 ounce also of cane syrup. Cane sugar syrup. And the pineapple juice. Just half of this. Then shake, shake, shake. Break off na my hand! Whew. We're gonna use this glass. We have to put ice in it. There. And this. Last but not the least is the dark rum. It's rum. It's new. So we have to put it slowly, and we're gonna use the ice as like a bar spoon because we have to put it only on the top. So we have to put it slowly. It goes down. Sorry guys, it goes down. Voila! The melon zombie! Don't forget guys, don't drink and drive!